Welcome to Indicator Import with the FHI toolbox. In this video, we'll be looking at how to import individual indicator data from multiple FHIX files. You can use this function to consolidate the data from indicators in different FHIX files into a single FHIX assessment file. To begin, click the pencil button on the top left corner. Click Indicator Import and click Import to browse for your FHIX file. For this tutorial, we will be using mock FHI training under the Introduction folder. Once imported, search for the particular indicator you wish to import and click the Import button next to it. Going back to the main page of the toolbox, you can see that the indicator is successfully imported with a score of 73. To import another indicator from a different FHIX file, simply click the X button here to close the current file and repeat the previously mentioned steps. That is all for indicator import. Thank you and see you again.